Hi, I'm Courtney Swenk, and I'm a family nurse practitioner. I was always really intrigued with science and how science worked and the human body worked. So whenever I started going through nursing school, I knew I wanted to proceed into becoming a nurse practitioner. And I always really enjoyed the whole family spectrum. So starting with newborn care and going throughout the life. I'm very open-minded, so it's one of those, I don't like to tell my patients what to do. I like to give them options because I want to make sure it works for their lifestyle. Yes, I definitely give recommendations, but it's one of those, if they can't afford a medicine or if it's not something that works within their lifestyle, I know they're not going to complete those recommendations. So we have to work together as a team to make sure we give them the best life that they can have. Listening is very important, and it's not just verbal communication, but it's nonverbal. So I can receive all the verbal answers that I have, but if I'm not paying attention to their stature and what their body is giving off to me as well, then I'm going to miss a lot of cues. So it's one of those, for example, if I have a patient come in and they're only coming in for a blood pressure check, but I'm missing that they're having some depression or basically a lot of stress in their life, I'm going to be missing a lot of things that are affecting their overall quality of life. I have 3 beautiful daughters that keep me very busy. So we do lots of sports because I have one going into high school and 2 little ones that also stay busy. So we like to travel. We like to go explore, but between the sports and the girls, that we don't get much activity besides that. I like to practice medicine the way I want my family to be treated. So I'm very honest and I'm very open. So if a patient has a concern, I like them to bring it to me. So if there's something that they feel that I've missed, I like them to make sure that they bring that to my attention because I cannot correct anything unless I'm aware of it. So it's one of those, I like to be respectful and compassionate in what I do.